why are you making that painting?
Because it's her birthday tomorrow.
Yeah, it's Loloy's birthday tomorrow. Ooh, you did that smiley face. Wow.
She's skating frontwards because her legs are bended. It's because she doesn't know how to roller skate.
That's awesome. What's the smiley face up there?
That's just a superhero.
Superhero. Wow. And whose hand is that?
Daddy's.
No, that handprint.
Mine.
Oh my goodness, that's cool. Pretty awesome. Look at me first.
Are you taking a video?
What you think?
Yes, because I heard the ta-da!
It's Loloy's 70th birthday tomorrow.
She's gonna be old. As an oldie.
Yeah.